Oh, but my heart is in Havana. There's something about his manners. Havana, no. He didn't walk up with that, how you doing? When he came in, he said there's a lot of girls I can do it, but I can't wait. I'll do him forever in a minute. That's on my night. And ever since he got Milo in him, he got me feeling like ooh.
Happy New Year everyone, and welcome back to my first ever video of this year, where I've created this grungy sort of makeup look with bold lips and smoky eyes. So let's get started with the makeup. I'm using this Himalaya moisturizer for my face. Have been using this moisturizer for a while now and it feels amazing. Next up, I'm using Miss Claire primer for my face and I'm spreading like so. So today I'm using L'Oreal Matte Magique foundation. This is first time I'm using this foundation. So I wanted to see how it feels on my skin. For that I have not used any color corrector underneath. I'm directly using the foundation. So this is how it looks after blending the foundation. And it was totally matte, so I think I like this foundation. So next step, I'm filling my eyebrows with this MUA powder and then brushing out the excess. So moving on to eyes, I'm first priming my eyes with the concealer and then I'm setting it with loose powder like so. And I'm using this Essence eyeshadow today. I'm taking that brown shade for my eyelids. I'm going to apply it all over my eyelids and I'm blending it back and forth, as you can see, like so. Just a simple makeup. I'm just applying and blending all together. That's all. And we are done with this eye makeup. It's very easy and simple. And next step, I'm highlighting wherever it is needed with the concealer. Then I'm setting my face with this loose powder. So all the product details will be in the description box, so you can check that out. Then I'm making sure everything is blended. Now for my waterline, I'm using this brown color kajal from Rimmel London. Then I'm taking this small brush for applying eyeshadow down my waterline, and this is how it looks. I'll finish my other eye and come back. So this is the finished look. Now I'm taking that light shade for my inner corners and then another shade on top, because it was not that shimmery, the first shade, so I went ahead with another shade, that is white color. It was kind of glittery, so I used that as my highlighter as well. So I'm highlighting my highest points. Now I'm using this Essence bronzer for bronzing up my face. And then making sure everything is blender. So this is the lip color from LA Girl. This is in the shade Stunner, and this is the star of the show. So I'm applying it all over my lips, as you can see. Just be careful and gentle while applying this color. That's all. Now I'm curling my lashes and applying generous coat of mascara for my upper and lower lashes. And then setting my face with setting spray and making sure everything is blended together. And then I had forgot to highlight my brow bone, so I'm doing that. With that, we've finished this makeup look, and I hope you liked this grungy sort of makeup look, and thank you all so much for watching.
How you doing? When he came in, he said there's a lot of girls